We look at various fundraising options, and as soon as these plans are crystallized, we'll inform you accordingly.
Right. Talk to us about the business, be all the segments of your business, luxury retail, diamond, the manufacturing for large clients. You are, some of the premium clients across the world you're supplying to, and of course trading. How is the business right now overall?
The business is quite good in all three segments. So it's diamond dealing, jewelry manufacturing, and retail. It has been consistently, we're doing quite well.
So if one were to talk about last 7-8 years, the brand has become much more prominent. Which end of the business is the growth driver right now for you? If you could throw some picture on how the business has been last 5-7 years.
So if you look at it, you have diamond dealing, which is a low margin, high value business. You have jewelry manufacturing, which is again a high value business and a larger margin. And then you have retail, which is the highest margin.
So as a strategy, clearly you are adopting that the focus of the management is to increase margins along with growth on the top line front. What kind of levers are available? What are the strategy which can be adopted in order to grow the margins over a period of time?
So the largest thing is to have jewelry which is very appealing to the client. Okay, so the design should be global in appeal, as we are retailing in multiple countries. We are in India, we are in China, we are in US, we are in UK, Singapore soon. So as we are, so the jewelry has to be global in its appeal.
Right. So the other thing the analyst community is saying that this is a very difficult time to be in a category which is associated with affluence and spending, because our own system, the Indian economy, grappling through GST related issues right now, and we speak to a lot of managements and they say that slowdown is hitting the market. The economy is also gradually coming back from demonetization. For your own business, what are the observation for the last 6-7 months? Has it also impacted you, and if yes, how?
So first, 95% of our sales are out of India. Okay, and in fact, for India, we look at GST as very positive. Before, taxes were 2% VAT, okay, and now it's 3%. So it's a very minimal, and it will be helpful, because instead of a cascading of taxes, it's just one straight tax. So we look at it as a very positive sign.
Right, and since 95% of your revenues actually come from overseas, rupee must be a very big factor. What kind of hedges do you adopt? Does that become a worry area also as far as your receivables are concerned, if dollar actually strengthens the whole lot? Because a lot of businesses are feeling the heat.
So diamonds are always dealt with in dollars, right? So diamonds and gold. Therefore, we have a natural hedge. Our purchases are in dollars, and our sales therefore would be in dollar values.
Talk to us about your business strategy. Last 8-10 years, the way you have grown the company, where exactly have been the focus areas for the company? How have you managed to gather the growth, and which are the areas which you will continue to press, the levers of growth, in order to grow from here?
So we started off as a pure diamond dealing company with low margins. Okay, while that business continues to grow, we then moved on to higher valuation by jewelry manufacturing. And again, both of these businesses are growing. And so the largest is retailing, the largest value addition is retailing, where we are spending a lot of our focus on, and that will continue. Okay, so in terms of moving up the value chain while increasing revenues and increasing margins, I think that has been our strategy for the past 8-10 years.
Firestar, the mother company, and Nirav Modi, the brand which has come out of it. Because after all, investors would want to know how to differentiate between the two and how all of that has taken shape.
Sure. So, when it's Firestar Diamond, you're either buying loose diamonds or you're buying finished jewelry. What is really important, and how have we grown? One is being very competitive with our pricing, very reliable in our jewelry manufacturing. So it will have very fine jewelry manufacturing, but always very reliable. And that's how we have grown with our clients. So when you buy from Firestar Diamond, you know that you can get the jewelry at an X price, you can get it in the time which you need it in. Okay, so that's how we have grown the Firestar brand. As far as Nirav Modi is concerned, we started this brand in 2011, and from there we focused on having all of our designs are in-house.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/etnow.